Hello everyone, myself Sampath Kumar. In this video, we are going to solve a problem from transportation by using the method least cost method. This is the second video. Last video, we have solved same problem by using northwest corner method. Same formula, same question with the same numbers. We are doing it by using least cost method. So it's like solving the same problem in a different methods will give us understanding which method will give us the best results. The point of solving all these problems is that there are 3 plants for one manufacturing entity. They have 4 retail stores. From each plant, they need to transport their goods to different retail stores, and the cost involved is this much. Like from plant number 1 to retail store number 1, 3. Plant number 1 to retail store number 2, 5, like that. They have given what is the transportation cost from each different plants to different retail stores. Okay, so the now we are trying to solve that by using least cost method. Okay, so when we say least cost method, try to understand the methodology here. If it comes for the examination, we can easily get 4 marks here. So out of all the cost, you see whichever is the least cost. Just by looking into the method itself, we can understand that least cost. So for, as I said, these are all the costs that we incur for transporting goods from one plant to different retail stores. Which is a least here? 2 is a least. I'll just put 1 mark and again erase it. 2 is a least here. Again we have 2, 1 more least here. 2, 1 more list. So there is a tie. There is like multiple options. So we need to see which one we should start with. So when we have to decide what is the maximum quantity you can transport from one plant to one retail store, we have to understand. Again I'll repeat, out of these 3, where we can transport most goods. Most, when I say least is for the cost, most is for the goods. Okay, so if I have to choose this one, retail R1 has a demand of only 20, here only 20, and the supply of P2 is 75. So maximum I can supply here is only 20, but whereas here maximum I can supply is 60, whereas here for P3 and R4 maximum I can supply is 25. So which is the most, where I can transport most goods? Here I can, because the demand is 60 and the supply is 75, I can go ahead and start my answer with PR4, like transporting 60 here. So that will make, here it is 0, here it will be 15. So I'll just erase, just for understanding I wrote it once. I'll repeat one more time if someone is watching this for the first time. First thing what we need to do is, we need to see the entire table, entire matrix, and understand where is the least cost. Least cost is 2, here it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 2. Now the second step is where we should start with. So we should start with such a location where we can transport maximum goods. If I have to select this one, maximum demand here is 20, though the supply of P2 is 75, but this person requires only 20, right? So this is, here it is 20. If I had to choose this, the demand for R4 is 60, supply is 75. If I had to choose this, demand is 60, but the supply is only 25. So maximum I can go ahead, here is 25. So where is the maximum number it is coming? Maximum number is coming at this juncture, P2 R4. Okay, so now we are done. We have given 60 units to P2, which means we are left with 15 only for P2, and the demand for R4 has completely been met. Okay, since it has become 0, I can strike it off with pencil. You can strike the same in your examination, not the on the number, just beside the number you can strike that off. So now once this is struck off, now we'll go to the next least thing. So where is the next least thing? There are only 3 2s. These two 2s are gone. So there's only 1 2. Okay, there is no option. So the demand is 20, but here the supply is only 15. So maximum we can give is only 15. So you can say, why not 20? Because the supply of P2 is only 15. The leftover supply after giving it to R4 is only 15. So the maximum they can afford or accommodate is only 15. The moment you are given 15, this has become 0. Okay, so then once this has become 0, this will be struck off. Okay, so there won't be any more allocations in this matrix. So now because we have given 50, now we require 5 more from in R1 also. I hope steps are properly followed. Now we see whichever is the least cost one more time. 2's are gone. 3 here, 1 3, here there is 1 3. You see here there is a number 3, here there is a number 3. So there is a tie. Should I go with this one or should I go with this one? I said one formula. Wherever you can give the maximum quantity, you can go with that. Here what is the maximum I can give? The demand is 5, supply is 50. So I can go ahead here and give 5 here. Here also maximum I can go ahead is 5, demand is 5, supply is 25. So here also I can go, I can allocate 5. Here also I can allocate 5. So there is no standard like should I go with this or this. Arbitrarily, voluntarily you can select any one, still our answer will be same. Okay, so we'll give 5 here. So the moment you have given 5, this has become 0. The moment it has become 0, you struck off entire thing. So there is nothing, no more allocations. There will be no more allocations in R1 because their entire demand has been met. Okay, so they required 20, so they got 15 from P2 and 5 from P3. So now what is the next list? 2 is done, 3 is done, 4 there is no 4, 5 there is 1 5 here, there is 1 5. So how much you can give? Demand is 20, supply is 50. So maximum you can give is 20 only. The moment you are given 20, this has become 0. The moment it has become, you will struck off this one thing because their entire demand has been met from only P1. So the moment you have given 20 there, we will be left with 30, the remaining. So what will be the next least cost here? Next least is 1 is 7, 1 is 9. So you'll go with 7. 7 may the demand is 50. The supply is 30, so you can give maximum of 30. The moment you are given 30, this will become 0. So this will become 20. Out of 50, 30 has been met, which means 20 you still have to give it. So did we lose anything? So this has become 20, right? Yeah. So when we have given 5 here, I did not write 20. So that is the problem. If you miss one single step, entire will be gone. So now the last thing which is left over is 9. So 20 is the supply, 20 is the demand. So 20 we have given here. Now the main part of the question is, that is not the end of the answer. The question, now the main answer will be, from P1 we are giving, from P1 we are giving to R2, how much we are giving? 20 at the rate of 5. From P1 we are giving to R3, we are giving 30 units at the rate of 7. P1 there is no more allocation. And P2 we are giving R1, how much? 15 at the rate of 2. P2 we are giving to R4, 60 at the rate of 2. And then P3 we are giving to R1, P3 we are giving to R1, if someone is missing, 5 at the rate of 3. P3 we are giving it to R3, 20 at the rate of 9. Okay, so if someone wants to cross verify in the examination only, see what is the total supply of P1? 50. So now you can say 50 is coming. What is the supply of P2? P2 is 75. 60 plus 15, 75. What is the total supply of P3? 25. So 5 plus 20, 5 plus 20, 25. So 100, 210, 30, 120, 15, 180. Okay, so 100, 310, 340, 440, 460, 475, 675, 645. Okay, if my math is wrong, correct. 655. Okay, this is 655. we got used to calculate so much that I forgot basic accounting. 655. Okay, so that is a least cost. Earlier method we have solved by using northwest corner method, we got somewhere around 670. Now we are getting 655. So we can say the least cost method is at least giving a better results than the previous method. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you find this type of videos helpful, please let me know in the comment section, and also mention which of the topic that you would like me to explain in the upcoming videos. That will help me in understanding the tempo of where we are going and what topics we need to solve here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.